Hi there, students. Okay, your heel is the back of your foot. And then we have this phrase, on the heels of, which can either mean somebody is following close behind. So the police are on the heels of the criminal. We can also use this idea, on the heels of, to mean happening immediately afterwards. So on the heels of the speech, there will be a buffet supper. Okay, so following. Okay, so the police are on his heels. They are in close pursuit. They're close behind him. Then you could say they are hot on his heels. They are hard on his heels. They are close on his heels. So hot on the heels of, close on the heels of, hard on the heels of, immediately afterwards. So hard on the heels of the last disaster, we had another one. Okay, coming immediately afterwards. My team scored a second goal hard on the heels of the first one, close on the heels of the first one, immediately afterwards, close behind, soon after. A second mistake came hard on the heels, came hot on the heels of the first one. And a third mistake followed hot on the heels of the second one, immediately afterwards, straight afterwards. Okay, so close on the heels of something, happening very soon after something else. There was one disaster hot on the heels of a previous disaster. So hot on the heels of, to happen very soon afterwards. So to come or to follow, close, hard or hot on the heels of something. They are hot on the heels of a solution to this problem. Okay, so they are chasing this solution and they're not very far behind it. Okay, so hot on the heels of. This has got the idea of chasing and not far behind, or a very short period of time afterwards. Okay, so my dog ran away and my son was hot on the heels of the dog trying to catch it. Okay, so hot on the heels of, close to overtaking another competitor. So the leader of the competition has 997 points, and hot on his heels is second place with 996 points. So very close behind. Yeah, the second place team are hard on the heels of the leaders. And then happening very soon afterwards, this scandal came hot on the heels of the previous scandal. Okay, so hard on the heels of, yeah, following behind, close behind. Yeah, about to catch, about to happen next. So notice that one of the problems is actually nailing this idiom down and saying this is it, because really there are about 6 or 8 different ways of saying it. So something could be on the heels of something else. Something could follow on the heels of something else. Something could come on the heels of something else. And then it could be hot on the heels of, hard on the heels of, close on the heels of, and you could probably find some others as well. Okay, the wolf started to chase the dog, and the dog ran like crazy, with the wolf hot on his heels, following close behind, about to catch him. And that's the idea. So, formality, hot on the heels of, hard on the heels of. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but certainly go no further. And yeah, the heel's the back of the foot. So if you're running and something is close to your heels, it's almost caught you. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Close on the heels of, hot on the heels of, hard on the heels of, to follow, to be, to come. Bye for now.